So we've got a bit of a dilemma. It rained all last night. We're on sand. We've got a secret place to go to. We can't show you how to get to it.
Secret.
Aboriginal artefacts, different types of rocks and things.
And a fail.
So we're heading north on the, was it Poon Carry Road?
Poon Carry Road.
Yep. And we've come up to Top Hut Road, which is the road we're going in on to the National Park. Mungo National Park 65. Top Hut Road. And it looks like, I reckon it's going to be a gravel road. We won't air down at the moment, but we'll definitely put our covers over our vents. I think that's a good idea. So we've just turned onto the gravel. We've got a lot of rain following us behind, and you can probably hear the wind coming through as well. So we're just going to put our covers on. At this stage, I'm not going to air down. We've just got to get in before the rain, and it's sort of coming from all sides here. And apparently this just turns to slush and dangerous. Halfway to Mungo on the road here. It's a couple of times we thought about airing down, but it's not too bad actually. Just to be careful going through the grids, and when you come to crests, make sure that you're far to the left in case there's someone coming the other way. But so far so good, and we've got the rain behind us, hasn't hit us yet. Looking forward to our next little trek. Mungo National Park. We're about halfway, 26 k's. We've got a fire up here. So, which way do we go? I reckon it might be to the right. There's the old sign there, Mungo Lodge Tourist Resort. So, let's go to the right. Here's the Top Hut camping sign. So we're going to go. Top Hut campground is actually run by Tom and his family, who've got 100,000 acres of land just next to the national park here. So we're going to go in and check out the camp spots he's got. First camp we come to is called the Pine, and I reckon it'll be over there, and I reckon there could be a pine tree there. Let's go. So this is the Pine campground, probably only about 350 metres in off the track. Heaps of room here. We've even got a fire pit, nice new one actually, and there's heaps of wood around. Like, you look around here, there's just heaps of wood. We've seen emus, kangaroos, lots of birds. So there's the sign, and I've just realised these signs are actually made out of windmills. So Wilga's just down this track here. Let's go and check it out. Wilga camp, heaps of room here, nice and level, and check out the size of this fire pit. This camp is Rosewood, and again it's down here, and it's all camps seem to be a fair way, not too far off the road, but far enough away to be very private. This is Rosewood, and I think this is one they're still developing, but this would be the place you'd want to go to get away if you had any strong winds coming, so you hunker down here, and again there's plenty of firewood. nice level spot with a massive fire pit. And if you can have a look up there, those tracks go right up to the top of the hill where we're camped, and that's the OZLAPN penthouse suite up the top there. So we'll show you what's happening up there. But, another really good camp, and you've got a toilet here at the moment. I don't know how often they move them around, but it's here at the moment and it's working. I wonder who's camped up on that hill. I reckon that might be us. What a prime position. Made it just before the rain. We're starting to get a few spits now. We're right on top of a hill, and you'll probably get a better idea of the view the next couple of days, but we should get some good solar here. So we've got a bit of a dilemma. It rained all last night. We're on sand, so it's actually soaked in quite well, and around the van it's actually quite good. The only trouble is we're on private property, and we've got the Mungo Lake Mungo, and the national park over there. It's going to be closed to be reassessed, I think they said on Monday, or possibly open Sunday. So we're just going to have to make the most of the situation and see what we can find.
We can rest now.
We can rest now.
We don't have to do a thing.
No. We're actually going a bit of cross country to cut the corner of our walk off. And I'd say this is very much like it would have been back in the day when Burke and Wills came through here. It's pretty easy going here. What a nice day. There he is up there. There he goes. The Mungo National Park main campground, and obviously this toilets, table and a barbecue. But unfortunately, because of the rain, it is closed. So we're just going to have to wait and see if it opens before we have to leave. So we're actually doing some chippies for tea tonight, and over there is Mungo National Park. Great camp here. People flying all the way, there it goes. I'd rather be here. I don't know if you remember, but I just love curried egg sandwiches. So Joey's actually made me some lettuce and egg cups with a bit of ham, a bit of lamb, with a bit of cheese, and a great view. Unfortunately, the national park is still closed, and we've seen some boggy bits of road on this private property. But we've got a secret place to go to. We can't show you how to get to it, but hopefully we can find a sand dune. So let's see.
Secret.
So it's been a while since Joey's had to open a gate. Let's see if she remembers which way to open it. Yeah, I think she's got it. Yep, she hasn't forgotten. Like riding a bike. Like riding a bike, Joanne, well done. That's Joe from Bendigo. And check that out. That is spectacular. And Joey's actually walking up over the hill to see what she can see. We might get the drone up. I think there's a big sand dune over there. See from this Saron picket how the wind has changed the ground and moved dirt. Then you come over here, you can see this tree's complete root network. Big tentacles. So our camp's right over there, and this is one great sand dune. A lot of history here. Mungo Visitor Centre. The rest of the park's closed, but we're just going to have a quick look here. And I think it automatically has the lights and that come on. Ah, there's a big boy. Information place. They've got Aboriginal artefacts, different types of rocks and things. We've got a wool bale. A timeline from the 70s through, or sorry, back the other way, the 20s through to the 70s. There's a hairy-nosed wombat. So I'd say this is the viewing platform. And these are, I'd say, replicas of the footprints that they actually found further over. Long time ago. That's pretty special. It's a meeting place. Standing here, you're looking about 30 kilometres to the Wall of China. We've got the old cattle yards here, or actually sheep yards probably, and then you've got the shearing shed over there, so we'll have a quick look at that. Well, that's the end of this video from not quite on Mungo National Park, but at Top Hut Camp. We had a great time. Yesterday was spectacular, wasn't it?
Great. Mm.
Yeah, we got to see some really special things, and they'll be in this video. You've probably already watched them. But we're heading off today up to the lakes.
I think so.
Marindi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for following. Make sure you subscribe. That's how it helps our channel, and we'll catch you in the next movie.
See ya.
Bye. So we nearly got away, but Looks like we're a little bit bogged here. Yeah, it's a lot softer than I expected. It'll be maxtraxs time.
Righto, Graham, do your magic. Don't tip the caravan over. You got out a bit of a rut.
So we tried to get out with hard tyres, but it's not working, so we're just going to let them down and see how we go.
Finally, you're using your maxtraxs, Graham.
Yeah.
Something you've been wanting to do.
Well, it's justifiable that I bought them now, actually, otherwise we'd be stuck here.
Yes. I keep going. Maybe not. And a fail.
Is that real straight?
A bit more.
Is that right?
Other way. Whoa, just missed the tree. You just missed the tree though. Sorry, Tom.
And we'll catch you in the next movie.
See ya.
Bye.